Good afternoon, I am Joe Howdashell with Milton Tire and Auto, selling a 2005 F350 Lariat Crew Cab Long Bed FX4. That's a lie. This is a huge truck. Got 156,000 miles on it. We just serviced it, replaced 2 injectors, changed the oil, flushed the transmission, flushed the radiator. It's ready to go. It's black on tan leather interior. It's got a sunroof. It's got the power rear windows, keyless entry, towing mirrors, power mirrors. I believe, yes, and it has seat heaters. You see there? Seat is not torn. It's actually in real good shape considering the miles. It does have the power sunroof. And power rear window. It all works. All the windows go up and down. The front windows are tinted. The rears are factory tinted. This 4-wheel drive. It's got adjustable pedals, automatic headlights, 5-passenger seating, dual climate, factory 6-disc CD changer, AM FM. Truck has a lot of power and a lot of life left in it. It's black. It was a work truck. It's got a dent right here, scratch here over the right rear FX4. You see the bed. It's got some scratches. A lot of it will buff out. Can't guarantee all of it will. Scratch below the doors. That was paint. It felt like it would rub off. Got a spray-in bed liner. It's got the drop 5th wheel adapter. I believe these F350s have a 35-gallon fuel tank, which makes it nice, so you don't have to stop for fuel as often. And 4-wheel low there. Gauges, no problem. Run it down the road, see how it does. See there, it's got 156,000 miles on it. But I've seen these with 250, 300, 400,000 miles. Diesels, you just change the oil in it, keep good filters in it, and they just keep going. Got lots of power, smooth, no noises. Got a good set of tires on it. They are 10-ply tires. This truck runs out nice. Alright, again, my name is Joe Howdashell with Milton Tire and Auto. You can reach me at 678-907-7363. This F350 long bed is going to be on eBay the end of August 2011 at no reserve. So call me, I'll sell it to you outside the auction, or you can take your chances on the auction. Anyway, good luck and thank you.